Welcome back to That's Gas Garage. I'm Neff. Today we're going to bring something a little bit different because we're having a lot of hurricanes, a lot of tornadoes, flooding, and all kinds of stuff. And with a battery, a power inverter, and a little solar panel, you can actually run a fan, you can charge your phones, you can do all kinds of stuff. So guys, first of all, we have here Everstart 750 watt inverter. This bad boy has, as you can see on this side over here, it's got two plugs. So you can plug your things in, and it's got two USB-C where you can put your phones to charge, or if you want to plug it over there, you can plug it over there. So we have a 12-volt battery. You can use a car battery, or you can use the extra battery you have, or you can go buy one just for this setup like I did. I bought an extra one just for this. So as you can see here, we have the little solar panel charging. It says it's in use and charging. So we have it charging the battery. Then the solar panel is back there. I mean, as long as you have that bad boy in the sun, it's gonna work very good. It will keep your battery powered. And what we do here, like what I was doing, I still haven't tried if I can keep everything connected charging while I'm using it at the same time, but the battery does last a very long time. So you disconnect your little solar panel, connect your inverter, positive to positive, negative to negative. And then you have, the inverter is already on. I never turned it off, that was my bad, but it's already on. I'm getting 13.2 volts. So in case of an emergency, you know, you need to run a fan or whatever because your AC doesn't work. But look at this. You're running your fan, we still have 13.1 volts. The battery does charge very, very quickly. And you can extend this, get more batteries, more solar panels, a bigger inverter, and you can actually have juice through the night, which is the worst time because, you know, you start sweating, you know, or it's too cold and you need something to keep yourself heated. You get your little small heater, and you can at least have a fan. Like right now, this bad boy is running. So you can see, it's running. So guys, with this little setup here, I mean, a battery costs you, I don't know, get you a cheap Walmart battery, maybe $100 bucks. The inverter was like 30 something dollars. This box I had for a while, so I started using it just for this, to keep everything in one spot. And then the little solar panel was probably like another 50 bucks. So under $300, and you can have power to charge your phones, keep your fan running, stay cool. Like, guys, super easy setup, not that expensive, and you can have power anytime you want. So this was gonna be a short video because, I mean, I just wanted to show you guys to have a little emergency kit set. So thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed one.